The video is made for BCom second semester students for basic English subject for Karnataka University Dharwad. The video is presented by Prabal Jagdish Roddannavar, Assistant Professor of English, Shri K.H. Patil, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti, Gadag. Resume writing. A resume is a formal document that provides an overview of our professional qualifications, including our relevant work experience, skills, education, and notable accomplishments. The goal of our resume is to convince employers that we are worth interviewing. The spelling of resume is originated from French, which means summary. To this day, the purpose of a resume is to still provide employers with a summary of our relevant qualifications. Usually, a resume is consisted of 5 parts. 1. Contact details. Contact details include our first and last name, phone number, and email address. Additionally, we can mention our mailing address if we want to prove we live near the place we are applying. Second one, introduction. It is a concise overview of our professional background and key qualifications. Our introduction can be in the form of a resume summary, professional profile, resume objective, or qualifications summary. Third one, educational background. It includes our school names, highest degree earned, majors and minors, etc. Fourth one, work history. It consists of any relevant work experience we have. It includes our title, the company we worked for, years worked, and a bulleted list of our key responsibilities and notable successes. Fifth one, relevant skills. It includes our skills which are relevant to the position. We must be sure to use a strong mix of hard skills and soft skills to demonstrate that we are all-rounded candidate. Here is an example of resume. In the name section, one has to write his or her name as per the documents. In father's name, one has to write his or her name as per the documents. In date of birth, one has to write his or her birth date as per the documents. One can give either his permanent address or at present address. The candidate has to provide the correct mobile number for contact. In marital status, either he or she can say he or she is married or unmarried. In educational qualification section, one can give his or her details of passing percentage from secondary school examination to the highest degree, and it can also include the details of institution where he or she studied. Professional experience includes the past experience of the candidate. The candidate must provide the skills he or she possesses, which may add additional benefit to them while recruiting.